watchman sees danger coming and stays silent, blood is on his hands. Ezekiel 33 makes that painfully clear. And today, that danger isn't a sword, it's deception. The kind Revelation 13 warned us would sweep the whole world. The Sabbath isn't just a day off, it's the seal, the sign of who you really serve, the Creator God, not Babylon's system. Scripture says they'll enforce worship. Refuse it and you won't be able to buy, sell, or live free. We are almost at this time. Many in Christendom say it doesn't matter which day you keep, but confusion is the enemy's weapon, and so many people are falling for it. Don't be fooled, Sunday legislation isn't about economics, it's about your soul. Loyalty will be the real currency in the coming crisis. Ezekiel 33 said, warn them, that's what I'm doing. Because silence in a time of deception is betrayal to you and to God. When they promote then legislate Sunday as the day of unity, peace and worship, remember that's man's day, not God's day. God's faithful are described in Revelation 14 verse 12. They keep all his commandments, not just some, all 10. The seventh-day Sabbath was from creation, long before any Jew. That means Sabbath is a gift for all humanity. The seventh-day Sabbath is the final test, a line in the sand. Will you follow God or will you follow culture? When the Sun's day is mandated as worship, staying silent won't protect you. You'll have to speak out. The watchman must speak.
It's easy to say I love God, but obedience, that's where true love is made plain, especially when it costs.
If I kept quiet, your blood would be on me. But I've spoken. Now you know. Choose wisely.